Say something.
Hi friends, today we are going to draw a baby.
A baby with a black sketch pen and a white paper. No colors needed. Don't do that. Come on. Let's get started.
This
Fast.
is an injection.
Okay, come on, start. Get started. We start with the eyes, okay?
Okay.
Two big eyes. And the eyebrow. The nose. And the ear. Okay? Now, carefully, we do the face because that is the most important part. Make it like this. And we come till the ears over here. Perfect. And we leave some space for the ears. And we come here. Wow. Okay? Let's make the ears.
Look at that.
One ear would come here. And now the hairs. What did you make? Okay, now the hairs.
Should I make something else?
Yeah, okay.
Should I make on the lower page?
Huh? Yeah, make it there. Okay. Wow, the face is done. That's the most difficult part, you know? And now the body of the kid playing on the crown.
I cannot.
It's okay, let me do that.
Like that.
Okay, this is a little difficult bit. It's okay if you can't. Try as much as you can. No problem, even if it's not good, that's okay. And the baby's diapers. The legs. Even my drawing is becoming a little funny.
No, that looks nice.
The hands. Okay. Let's color the eyes. And let's color this a little bit, shade it a little bit.
I'm not able to draw that much. I'll just make it easy, okay?
Okay. And what we are going to do is we are going to draw a football over here.
That is not nice.
Playing on the ground. There's some birds. Then there's the sun over here. Some clouds. Okay, Parikshit made a rock star, and I made a simple and a very easy drawing of a small baby, a kid with a football on his legs, having fun on the ground. Yes, Parikshit?
Papa, this
Yeah.
is not a. This is a dream is coming. That is a rock star, and he's dreaming. He's a rock star, but he's dreaming. His face is like this.
Okay. Did you guys enjoy this drawing? I know it was a little difficult one. Parikshit was also not able to catch up. But what is important is he tried and he did something out of it. So it is important for you also to do something, make it, and do not forget to share with us on Instagram and tag us at @KidsFun Club to win some exciting goodies from us. Have a good day. Bye-bye.